Alright, so the activity for this week, which you can complete virtually by going onto the discussion board on Canvas and plugging in your answer, is going to focus on kind of understanding sampling and pitfalls in sampling. And this headline I have here and these comments came from an article on the Fox News website from 2013 that I encountered one day when I was prepping this class long ago, where they asked people in an informal poll whether they believed in polls. And these are some of the responses that people gave back in 2013. So I've got some comments highlighted here, since in case the screenshots are a little hard to read. But, you know, this one person here, Pearl M, says she doesn't believe in polls because it's not everyone's opinion, it's only a select few. Kitty B51 says that they don't believe in polls either because they think that polls should be posted on Facebook and Twitter instead, because too few people are polled otherwise if it's not posted on Facebook and Twitter. And then finally, this commenter, number 3, Fed Up HRC, said that they don't believe in polls either because they've never gotten a phone call and neither have the 65 people in their immediate family. And if nothing else, I would say take this as a lesson that if you ever post something on the internet, it might end up in somebody's statistics class curriculum for 10 years after that. But otherwise, what I want you to do is think about these comments that people make about political polls. And keeping in mind that typical political polls are representative samples, think about these following questions and try to answer them. So, number 1 says, why is it not an issue that polls don't ask the opinion of every single person in the country? So we're going to say a poll can be trustworthy without asking the opinion of every single person in the country. Why is that? Second, why would it be a bad idea to try to collect information about voting and other political things by only collecting samples on Facebook and Twitter? And would there be a problem in doing that would make you not trust results from samples that were collected by posting something on Facebook and saying, anybody comment on this, you know, to give me your answer? And then finally, thinking about the US population as a whole and taking samples out of the 300 million person population to learn about people's political values and beliefs, why should it not be surprising if you don't get a call for a particular poll, or even if you and your 65 immediate family members don't get a call? And so what I want you guys to do is to think about these questions and post your responses to the discussion board on Canvas by Tuesday, 3/7. If any of you are talking to each other on, you know, whatever people talk to each other on, you're welcome to discuss these amongst yourselves. Otherwise, just feel free to take a stab at it and post your view. And then what I also ask you to do is that when you're done, read through some other comments and just thumbs up 1 or 2 of them that you think have some strong answers. If you are the first person to post, of course, you're off the hook for that one. All right, if you have any questions about this activity, please let me know. You can, again, find it in the discussion board on Canvas that will be linked to in this unit as well. And otherwise, I hope you all enjoy the snow day, and I will see you on Thursday.